Hey everyone, welcome back to our channel. If you're here, you're probably interested in transforming your relationship with money, right? Well, today we're going to dive deep into how you can build a stronger, healthier money mindset. Whether you're looking to start saving, investing, or just want to feel better about your finances, this video is for you. So grab a notebook because we're about to share some practical tips and mind shifting strategies to help you see money in a whole new way. Chapter 1, What is a money mindset? First things first, what exactly is a money mindset? In simple terms, your money mindset is the set of beliefs and attitudes you have about money. It's how you feel about making, spending, and saving it. Think of it as your money lens, say how you view finances, whether positive or negative. Some people see money as a tool for freedom, while others view it as a source of stress or worry. Those who have a positive money mindset believe that there's always more out there, that opportunities are endless, and that they are capable of achieving financial success. On the other hand, a negative money mindset might make you feel like you'll never have enough or that money is out of reach. Chapter 2, Signs of a Negative Money Mindset. Now, let's talk about some common signs that you might have a negative money mindset. These can be pretty subtle, but they have a big impact on your financial success. Here are a few red flags to look out for. Do any of these sound familiar? Don't worry if they do. Many people have at least a few of these beliefs, and the good news is it's possible to change them. Chapter 3, Steps to Improve Your Money Mindset. Alright, so let's get into the actionable steps you can take to improve your money mindset. Step 1 is to identify your current beliefs about money. Take a moment to reflect on the thoughts you have about money. What were you taught about money growing up? Were there any phrases you heard a lot, like money doesn't grow on trees or rich people are greedy? Write these down. Once you identify your current beliefs, it's easier to start changing them. Many of these thoughts come from our upbringing and experiences, but that doesn't mean they're true or that they have to define your future. The next step is to shift your mindset from scarcity to abundance. A scarcity mindset says there's not enough money to go around, while an abundance mindset says there's plenty out there for everyone. Make the shift. Start by practicing gratitude for what you already have. Take a few minutes each day to write down something you're grateful for financially. It could be a paycheck, a meal you could afford, or even the roof over your head. This helps rewire your brain to see abundance instead of lack. Having clear financial goals can change the way you see money. Start with small achievable goals. It could be saving $50 a month, paying off a small debt, or investing a little every month. When you achieve goals, you start building confidence. Over time, you'll see yourself as capable and in control, which builds a stronger, more positive relationship with money. Knowledge is power. One of the best ways to improve your money mindset is by learning more about money. This doesn't mean you have to become an expert overnight, but even a little knowledge about budgeting, saving, and investing can go a long way. There are tons of free resources out there, YouTube channels, podcasts, and books where you can start learning. And the more you know, the less intimidated you'll feel about managing money. It's so important to surround yourself with positive influences. If you're constantly around people who complain about money or feel stuck financially, it can affect your mindset too. Seek out people or communities who have healthy attitudes about money. Follow financial experts, join online communities, or make friends who support your financial goals. Positive influences make a huge difference. Affirmations and visualizations are simple but powerful tools to help reshape your money mindset. Try saying affirmations like I am capable of achieving financial success or I deserve to have financial abundance. Take a few minutes every day to visualize what financial success looks like for you. Imagine yourself living without financial stress, achieving your goals, and feeling fulfilled. This trains your mind to believe it is possible. Chapter 4, Overcoming Common Money Mindset Challenges. Now, let's talk about a few challenges you might face as you work to improve your money mindset and how to overcome them. Improving your money mindset isn't always easy. You might face self doubt or encounter setbacks along the way. When this happens, remind yourself of your progress, revisit your goals, and remember why you started this journey. Keep moving forward and don't be too hard on yourself. If it takes time, changing your money mindset is a journey, and it won't happen overnight. But with patience, determination, and the right tools, you can shift your beliefs and create a healthier, more positive relationship with money. If you found this video helpful, please give it a thumbs up and don't forget to subscribe for more content like this. Let us know in the comments what's one money mindset shift you want to work on. We'd love to hear from you. Remember, you have the power to change your financial future. Thanks for watching and see you in the next video.